सोचिए, एक बॉम्ब जो पूरी शहर को उड़ा दे। अब सोचिए ऐसे हजार बॉम्ब एक साथ। Just imagine the sheer destructive power. Welcome to the most shocking nuclear power comparison. जैसा आपने पहले कभी नहीं देखा। Buckle up, because this is a journey into the heart of global destruction. दोस्तों, सबसे पहले हम आते हैं रशिया, the sleeping bear with nuclear claws. 5,889 warheads. Imagine the sheer scale of destruction. रशिया के पास है MIRV missiles, एक ही रॉकेट से 10 अलग-अलग bombs. These aren't just bombs, they are weapons of mass extinction. अगर रशिया ने अपना पूरा जोर लगाया, तो ये दुनिया बचेगी नहीं, सिर्फ राख बचेगी. America, the land of the free, the home of the brave, and the possessor of a nuclear arsenal that can obliterate the world many times over. Their technology is unmatched. High-tech, ultra-accurate nukes that can strike anywhere, anytime. Stealth bombers, silent submarines, unstoppable missiles. America ki pahunch duniya ke har kone mein hai. Their power is a double-edged sword, a deterrent, but also a terrifying reminder of the destructive force they wield. China, the sleeping dragon, now wide awake and breathing nuclear fire. Punch Sao plus warheads and counting, their arsenal is growing at an alarming rate. Hazaar, Naya missiles, Naya tests, Naya warnings. They are flexing their nuclear muscles, sending a clear message to the world. Don't underestimate the dragon. 2030 तक experts का कहना है कि चाइना, अमेरिका और रशिया के बराबर आ जाएगा. France or UK choti tadat lekin khatra kam nahi. Don't let their smaller arsenals fool you. Their nuclear capabilities are nothing short of terrifying. Submarine-based nukes, hidden beneath the waves, ready to strike at a moment's notice. Their nukes are a silent threat, a reminder that even the smaller players can pack a deadly punch. India, a land of peace, but also a land that knows how to defend itself. Our nuclear program is not about aggression, but about deterrence. It's about protecting our people, our land, our way of life. Our triad of nuclear weapons, land, air and sea, is a testament to our commitment to peace through strength. India is a responsible nuclear power, but make no mistake, we will not back down from any threat. Pakistan, a nation forged in the fires of adversity, a nation that knows the value of strength. Our nuclear program is our shield, our guarantee against those who would seek to do us harm. We have tactical nukes designed for precision strikes to defend our borders, our people. Let there be no doubt, Pakistan will not hesitate to use its nuclear power if its existence is threatened. Israel, a nation shrouded in secrecy, its nuclear program a closely guarded secret. Experts का मानना है कि इजराइल के पास 100 से ज्यादा nuclear weapons हैं, a silent arsenal, a hidden deterrent. Israel's nuclear program is a reminder that in a world of shadows, even the quietest players can possess unimaginable power. North Korea, unpredictable, isolated, and armed with nuclear weapons. They are the rogue nation, the wild card in the global nuclear deck. Their small but growing arsenal is a cause for concern for the entire world. Their unpredictability makes them all the more dangerous. तो दोस्तों, ये थी दुनिया की nuclear powers की झलक, a stark reminder of the destructive power we humans possess. But remember, it's not just about the number of weapons, it's about the capability, the intent, the willingness to use them. The real danger lies in the hands of those who control these weapons, the leaders who hold the fate of the world in their hands. एक nuclear jang mein koi winner nahi hota, sirf barbadi. Just imagine a world shrouded in nuclear winter, a world where life as we know it ceases to exist. Dua karenge ye takat sirf deterrent ban ke rahe, a reminder of the consequences of our actions. Let us hope that these weapons of mass destruction are never unleashed, that they remain a chilling reminder of the path we must never take.